How to get a verification code for Apple ID. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Since this is not an Apple phone, but I will still teach you how you can get your verification code for Apple ID. So basically what you have to do is go to your settings and go to password and security. From there you will see an option in the blue highlighted section called get verification code. Simply tap on it and you will get a code, and you can use it while logging in or several other options. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.